For today's episode, I'd like to start off with this statement. Give Yah control of my mind and thoughts with his commandments, and I care not who makes a nation's laws. The book of Nahum, verses 2 to 15. Yah is a jealous and avenging El. Yah is avenging and a possessor of wrath. Yah is avenging on his adversaries, and he watches for his enemies. Yah is patient and great in power, but by no means leaves unpunished. Yah has his way in the whirlwind and in the storm, and the clouds are the dust of his feet. He is rebuking the sea and dries it up, and all the floods he has made dry. Bashan and Carmel are withering, and the flower of Lebanon is languishing. Mountains have shaken before him, and the hills have melted. And the earth is lifted up at his presence, and the world and all who dwell in it. Who does stand before his rage, and who rises up in the heat of his displeasure? His wrath is poured out like fire, and the rocks have been broken by him. Yah is good as a stronghold in the day of distress, and he knows those who take refuge in him. But with an overwhelming flood, he makes a complete end of the place of Nineveh, and darkness does pursue his enemies. What do you plot against Yah? He makes a complete end of it. Distress does not rise a second time. Though they are as entangled thorns and as drunkards with their drink, they shall be consumed like stubble thoroughly dried. From you came forth one who plots evil against Yah, a counselor of Belial. Thus said Yah, though they are strong and many, even so they shall be cut off and pass away. Though I have afflicted you, I afflict you no more. So now I break his yoke from you, and tear off his shackles. And Yah has commanded concerning you. Your name shall no longer be sown. From the house of your mighty ones I shall cut off the carved image and the molded image. I shall appoint your burial site, for you have been of no account. See on the mountains the feet of him who brings good news, who proclaims peace. O YAHUAH, celebrate your festivals, perform your vows, for Belial shall no more pass through you. He has been completely cut off.